Hi, my name is Sue Chudavin, and I'm a technology and engineering education teacher here at Chantilly High School. I'm going to talk to you today about the architectural drawing class. Architecture drawing is a class for students that are in grades 10, 11, and 12. It is the prerequisite for taking this class is STEM design. So if a student would like to take architectural drawing, they should take STEM design first. And this class is a prerequisite to taking the advanced CAD class. This class is for students who are interested in architecture, interior design, landscaped architecture, industrial design, maybe a job in the field of construction. And in this class, the students have the opportunity to sit for the Revit Certified User Exam, which is the piece of software that we use as our main tool in this class. In the course, we study the history of architecture and architectural styles. We study residential construction techniques. We look at what is included in a set of construction documents and how do we create those. We create them using a number of different tools: hand drawing, drafting with manual drafting tools, AutoCAD, and Revit. And we also utilize Revit to do some 3D modeling of different spaces and buildings, and then learning how to use Revit to render our spaces and then actually animate them and walk through them. And then we utilize 3D printing throughout the year to produce actual models of things that the students design. So with our look at construction drawings, we look at various types of floor plans and different things, whether we're looking at the layout, how do we represent different appliances, how do we show dimensions on a drawing, how do we show where the electrical symbols are. We learn how to visualize the building from the front, the back, the left side, and the right side. We learn how to cut through the building, and we call that a section. What does it look like when we're cutting through from front to back or left to right side? We do 3D views, so we learn how to create perspective drawing with pencil and paper and some rulers and straight edges, but then we also learn how to create them in the computer using our 3D models. We use Revit, like I mentioned before, and have in the past used VR technology to create walkthroughs of our buildings. And we utilize our 3D printers to create models of site models of our buildings, how they're going to sit on the site, what the space would look like. And like I mentioned before, near the end of the year, the students have the opportunity to take the Revit certification and earn this certification, which does not expire. So it's a nice tool for the students to have, especially if they're going to look at having an internship or something like that when they are in high school or in college. And then all of our students that are in the technology and engineering program here at Chantilly get an opportunity to participate in TSA, which is the Technology Student Association. And so students will be hearing more about this as we begin the year, and they will be able to participate in different activities and competitions as we move throughout the year at different levels: regional, state, and national. And this is a great organization for the students to join the other students that are in it, run the organization, and there's a lot of leadership skills that are developed and other soft skills that come about as being part of a TSA team. So here's my contact information. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about architecture drawing. Thank you.